Hi, Mr. Gallant here, and I'm going to show you how to export your pivot animation when you're all done in preparation for putting it into the PowerPoint presentation. Alright, so let's say you're done your animation. The projects I ask in school are about 30 seconds to a minute. Let's say you're not sure of your time. Hover over your frame rate and you'll be able to see. Now this one's only 7 seconds, but just an example. Alright, so let's say you're done. You're going to go to File and Export Animation. We're going to turn this into something called a GIF or a GIF, and this will allow you to put this file in other programs in order to play them. Alright, so make sure it's going to go into your new volume D. This one here is called System Reserve D, but at school it's local disk or new volume D. Alright, and if you're not sure, hit computer and you usually see a C drive and a D drive, so hit D. Alright, you should always put your name on files. Let's pretend I'm in 703 and I would call this pivot 1. It's your first pivot export. You can see that I've done this a couple times in an example, and it's going to be a GIF. Save. I'm going to replace it. Yes, I am. It's going to ask this question here about animated options. Just hit OK, and it'll take a second to finish. And once this green bar goes all the way through, you'll be all done. Watch out for the next video showing how to bring this in, or insert this file into your PowerPoint. Alright, thanks.